Assalamu alaikum, beloved Rasul.
Alaikum salam.
How can I develop a strong will?
Don't you have willpower?
Tori si.
No, I think you have. Pray to Allah Ta'ala. That Allah Ta'ala gives you strength to overcome all the minor and petty issues which you come across during your life. One thing is pray to Allah Ta'ala. Second thing is you think you have strong nerves and you can overcome every difficulty without any problem. तो ठीक है, इसके लिए strong nerves होने चाहिए. Then you can overcome every problem and that will help you increase your willpower. So always think that whenever you are going to start any work, until and unless you complete it, never give up. मतलब एक determination होनी चाहिए.